Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. Let's begin with the index Nifty. Nifty showed a great character and recovered from the earlier resistance, now turned into a support at 14,430 level and erased maximum losses occurred in the last session. A strong buying action was witnessed near to the important zones, as a result of which index once again surpassed 15,700 level to recover more than 250 points in the same session before closing at 15,680 levels. Index lost approx 110 points for the week comparing to the previous week. The range for the week got widened with the high marked at 15,900 level and low was capped at 15,450 level. The above mentioned level should be acting as an important resistance and support level. Breakout on either side will decide the further course of direction. Till then, index will remain in this range of 450 points. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. The banking index drift more than 650 points in the last session to hit the weekly low at 33,900 level, and similar to the Nifty, Bank Nifty also witnessed a good recovery, managed to respect its earlier support at 33,300 on a closing basis. On a weekly scale, index lost approx 490 points and closed around 34,550 level. Index continued to form higher high and low formation if it breaks the low of last week decisively, which is around 33,900, then we might witness index moving back towards 33,000 levels. On the other hand, index needs to move above 35,820 level to resume its journey towards 36,500 level. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Energy Index. On daily scale, index is trading near to the resistance of a rising channel. We could witness on a chart index gradually moving towards the south direction from the resistance level. It failed to hold the initial support of a 20 EMA, which was around 20,200 levels. Index below 20,000 level expect to continue to move towards next immediate support, which is around 19,700 level. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which I am going to talk about is Dixon. On daily scale, stock has been forming higher high, higher low formation. It has performed horizontal resistance breakout with volume. Stock continued to hold the support of a 20 EMA. Even RSI is moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in stock. So we expect stock above 44.55 levels to continue with this bullish momentum towards 5,165 levels. Moving on towards the final stock, that is Tata Motors. On weekly scale, stock is trading near to the horizontal resistance. On multiple occasions, it tried to bridge the resistance, but it failed to do so. Negative diversion could be witnessed as price moving towards the north direction and RSI is moving towards the south direction. So stock below 333 levels, we expect continuation of a bearish momentum towards 310 levels. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.